Ooh, Xiaomi Ultra. Hello, good morning. Another vlog, another track day, another taxi day. We are doing today taxis with the BMW E91, I think, is it? Wagon, in any case. So, no. Well, actually it is a taxi car, but it's a shuttle car to bring people from our office of Track Speed to the track, where I'm taking them out in a 992 GT3, which is currently out for refuel because the track is closed. And closed track gives us also a nice opportunity to do some car spotting, because that's what everyone loves from the OG days. So let's see what we have. We have GT4, hello. We have great people. We have 992, of course. We have also many Manthey equipped cars. So look at that, think big. It's a Manthey. Oh, 4C. That's pretty cool, pretty nice. We have another 992 RS, Teal Motorsports. This is actually quite a nice color. I like this. Then we have AMG GTR Pro, judging by the checkered flag logo. FM2 Comp. We have our taxi car. Yay! That just came back from refueling. Fantastic, very efficient. The track closure shouldn't be bad, shouldn't be big, because right now someone is just parked very inconveniently. Therefore, yeah, it's like 90 degrees on track, blocking the traffic. So, and I'm also blocking the traffic, so I apologize for that. By the way, today is Schnelle Schwaben Track Day, the very first track day I ever visited when I came to the Nürburgring back in 2013 or 12? I think 13, maybe even 14. No, not 14, 13. Pretty certain it was 13. Anyway. Oh, actually, by the way, what I like is that now they have also L stickers for learners, for the first timers. So when you approach these kind of cars, it's actually convenient, because then you know, like, hey, approach them and overtake them with caution. Interesting wing, interesting hood locks. We have more RSs, more RSs, more RSs, all the RSs, even more RSs. Well, Manthey car. We have the M2. We have Porsche drying rack. We have more RSs. Alpine. Hello. How you doing? Ciao ciao. Then we have drying rack, as mentioned. Oh, M3 Touring. Very nice. A rental from EVN. GT4 RS. Another M3. Is it Touring? LCI? Yeah, LCI Touring. Estonian RS. E92, not 992, but close. This car is, by the way, also very fast. So it's M240, judging by the body and Radar Motorsport, so that explains the fastness of it. Another RS, Irish E92, GT3, M2, another M2, more M3s, etc. Oh, hello! Here we have a very fast E30, I think. Oh. For sale. Why would it be 110,000? Well, because very fast and everything is in the papers. Oh yeah. And I think it's worth it. Big splitter as well. Very, very nice. And it's very, very fast. What else we have? We have some more M3s, GT3s, great parking. We have RS, M2, more RS, Zagreb, Balkan Gang, Balkan Bande, Coca-Cola spec. Hello, hello.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your day. Thank you. Dun, 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 dun. Some instructions happening. MRs. This is crazy fast car. But yeah, MR on Cup 2Rs. Very fast boy. Shout out to the driver. Some properly used 4RS MR. Very nice. Very, very nice. Today we have Black Series. We have more RS. Very nice color. Very nice color. BMWs, Porsches. A Sharkman color. Sorry, Sharkman, yeah, also color, because it's shark blue. But also license plate which is of course just a fake plate for track days. Let's check out the second parking. By the way, I'm proper sad that I have missed yesterday's sign-up session for Schneider Schwaben, because they always do it in Agnesenhof, which is like a fine dining establishment here in the area. And yeah, but Maggie, my wife, decided to just enjoy some time at home last night, because I have a very busy week ahead where I will be just not at home a lot. So next time, Agnesenhof with some fresh caught deer meat. Yeah. All right. Oh, that's a spicy Clio. It looks very serious. Hello.
You're looking for a 996?
Ah, yeah, that would be nice. Yeah.
But the driver's a bit ugly.
Is he?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow, an R8. Anyway, back to the car spotting. 430. Love a 430. I think the car has been just evacuated, well, taking off the track, the crash car. So hopefully they're going to resume soon with opening the track, so we can go have some fun, have some laps. Let's do that, I guess. Are you driving?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
And you?
Yeah, taxi.
Taxi?
Yeah, the 992 GT3.
922?
No, that one.
Oh.
We're saving that too for next year. Yeah, we're saving it for next year.
Okay.
All right, see ya.
Yeah, well.
In case you missed the video, we've done the with that 2 and Hershey. Hopefully it's gonna be a fun video. I mean, I liked it, but I don't know how it's going to perform at this point yet. But it's gonna be out by the time you watch this video, so have a look. All right, the track should be open at 10. I've been told. So quick weight reduction, bathroom break, and let's go. Been on track before?
Nope.
First time, huh?
First time.
Where are you from?
Australia.
Nice.
Yeah.
Where from Australia?
Perth, Western Australia.
Ah, cool.
Yeah. Nowhere near Bathurst.
Yeah. Alrighty. Well, let's have some fun then.
Yeah.
when it understeers.
Yep.
So I'm always on the brake until the apex. He's confused.
welcome. Thank you for joining us.